Okay. Solve this Wassce question. There's an optional question. And so before we move on, I want to let you know to like, subscribe, and share so that to benefit your colleagues also. All right, so the question before us says that the diagram shows a field ABCD in the form of a trapezium. If AD is equal to BC is 600, okay? And angle ADC and angle BCD is 120, and DC is 450, we have to find the perimeter of the field and the area of the field. And so to solve this question, first of all, if you look at this trapezium, we can divide here because it's 120. When you divide, here becomes 90, and here gives you 30, okay? We can divide here also. Here gives us 90, the remaining here is 30. Because 90 plus 30 is 120. So we're told that DC is 450. So if here is 450, it means that here also is 450. And so to find the perimeter of the field, we need to add all, because perimeter is the summation of the figure, summation of the field. So we need to sum all. So far we have 600 here, 600 here, 450. So we need to find this part and this part, add it to this 450. Then we can move ahead. So now to solve that, we need to find this part. And to find that part, we can represent maybe the dash I've represented here with E, and here as, let's say, F. Okay, so now removing it will be like this, where we have our 30 here, we have our A here, we have our E here, and we have our D here. So we are here 600, and we want to find this AE. So to find this AE, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So if you have opposite hypotenuse, we use sine. So we can say sine 30 degrees is equal to AE divided by 600. So we cross multiply, we're going to have 600 sine 30. And 600 sine 30 will give me 300 because sine 30 is half. So this gives me 300. All right. So having gotten 300, it means that this part is 300. And this part being 300, we can put it here. It means that over here also be 300 because it's the same value, 30, 30 over here, and the hypotenuse being 600. So having found that, we can now find the perimeter of the field. And the perimeter of the field will be my AB plus my BC plus my CD and plus my DA. So my AB, as we said, is your 300 plus 450 plus 300. Okay, so 300 plus 300 plus 450 is giving us 1050. Got this part plus this part plus this part. And so that's 1050 plus my BC. BC is 600, CD is 450, and DA is 600. So when we sum all, that gives us our, when we sum all, that will give us our perimeter. So adding 1050 to 600 to 450 plus 600, we'll be getting 2,700 meters. So therefore the perimeter is 2,700 meters. Now we're told to find the area of this trapezium. So to find the area of this trapezium, we need to know that the area of a trapezium is your half times the height. So the height will be over here. then your summation of AB plus DC. So half times the height, half of the height times the parallel size, okay? The summation. So now to find the height, we know H over here, okay? So we know this H. So to find the height, we can use, already here is 30. So to find this height, we can say our height, which is, this is opposite, adjacent to this, okay? So this is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So we have adjacent, hypotenuse. So if I have adjacent hypotenuse, it means cos comes in mind. So we are going to use cos. We now want to find the height. So to find the height, we will say that cos 30 is equal to the height over 600, okay? So cos 30 is equal to the height, which is the h here, over the hypotenuse, which is 600. So when you cross multiply, we have 600 cos 30 to be the h, and 600 cos 30 gives us 519.615. So this is the height. So now, having gotten the height, now we can find the area, which is my half, my height, which is 519.615. Then the parallel size, AB is 1050, as we can see from here. So that's 1050. Then DC is 450. So now we just sum. So we have half 519.615, 1050 plus 450 gives us 1005. And so when you put all of them in a calculator, we're going to have half times 519.615 times 1,500 gives us 389711.25. Okay. So the to trace significant figures will be, our area will be 39000 meters squared. Okay. Because we're going to move 1, 2, 3. So we look at the right hand side, the number is more than 5. We add it to this, it becomes 10. It becomes added to this and it becomes 39000. Okay. So that gives us 390,000. All right. So basically that is it. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.